Hi everyone, here I am with this new video in which I will discuss about branch-wise cutoff of top 10 colleges under WaveZ, that is the cutoff for each and every branch. I will discuss the cutoff for both the exam, that is WBJE and JEE Main. So watch this video till the end to get the complete information. Before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my channel information and educational videos because here you can find all the things you need to know. Let's start with the number 10 college, that is the Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology. The WebG cutoff for this college is as following. For computer science, the cutoff is 6117 to 13,929. For information technology, the cutoff is 10,248 to 22,859. For civil engineering, the cutoff is 10,464 to 78,848. For ECE, the cutoff goes to 11,131 to nearly 24.5k. And for electrical engineering, the cutoff is 13,000 to 71,000 approximately. And for mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 20,000 to 80,000 approximately. Now the JEE Main cutoff for this college is, for civil engineering, the cutoff is 38,312 to 3,79,247. For computer science, the cutoff is 66,000 to 90,000 approximately. And for ECE, the cutoff is 90,000 to 1,39,732. And for mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 1,07,000 to 3,75,000. And for electrical engineering, the cutoff is 1,25,000 to 2,56,000 approximately. And for information technology, the cutoff is 1,55,000 to 1,80,000 approximately. Now let's move to the next one, that is the number 9 college, Netaji Subhas Institute of Technology. The WebG cutoff for this college is, for computer science, the cutoff is 5,200 to 11,827. For ECE, the cutoff is 8,200 to 23,000 approximately. For information technology, the cutoff is 9,000 to 17,734. And for electrical engineering, the cutoff is 11,000 to 58,000 approximately. And for mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 17,405 to 80,000. And for biomedical engineering, the cutoff is 18,000 to 63,000 approximately. And for BTech civil engineering, the cutoff is 19,000 to 80,000. And for applied electronics and instrumental engineering, the cutoff is 33,000 to 80,000. Now let's talk about the JEE Main cutoff for this college. The JEE Main cutoff for this college for computer science engineering is 60,000 to 87,000 approximately. And for ECE, the cutoff is 87,000 to 1,34,000 approximately. And for information technology, the cutoff is 1,02,000 to 1,29,000. And for electrical engineering, the cutoff is 1,20,000 to 2,04,000. And for mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 1,21,000 to 3,70,000. For civil engineering, the cutoff is 1,53,000 to 5,45,000. And for applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, the cutoff is 1,94,000 to 2,77,000. And for biomedical engineering, the cutoff is 2,11,000 to 2,19,000. Now let's talk about the number 8 college, that is RCC Institute of Technology. The WebG cutoff for this college for computer science engineering, the cutoff is 5,290 to 12,000, and for information technology the cutoff is 9,300 to 19,000 approximately, and for electronics communicational engineering the cutoff is 9,300 to 20,000, and for electrical engineering the cutoff is 14,000 to 30,000, and for applied electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 16,000 to 55,000 approximately. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff for this college. The computer science engineering cutoff goes to 32,623 to 78,261, and for information technology the cutoff is 70,000 to 1,63,000. For electrical engineering the cutoff is 78,000 to 1,46,000, and for electronics communicational engineering the cutoff is 1 lakh to 1,40,000. For BTech Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering the cutoff is 1,18,000 to 2,47,000 approximately. Now let's talk about the number 7 college, that is Haldia Institute of Technology. The WebG cutoff for this college is for computer science engineering the cutoff is 3,300 to 8,000. For chemical engineering the cutoff is 5,000 to 27,000 approximately. For EC the cutoff is 5,000 to 11,000. For IT the cutoff is 5,700 to 8,500. For electronic and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 9,300 to 34,000, and for electrical engineering the cutoff is 9,300 to 18,000. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 9,600 to 32,000. For civil engineering the cutoff is 12,526 to 34,000, and for biotechnology the cutoff is 19,000 to 51,000. For food technology the cutoff is 18,556 to 50,000, and for instrumentation and control engineering the cutoff is 26,000 to 78,000. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff. The JEE main cutoff for this college for computer science engineering is 3,822 to 63,851, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff is 20,000 to 96,000. For chemical engineering the cutoff is 50,000 to 122,872, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 51,000 to 1,62,000, and for ECE the cutoff is 55,000 to 80,000. For IT the cutoff is 65,000 to 74,000, and for electrical engineering the cutoff is 71,000 to 1,22,000, and for BTech production engineering the cutoff is 79,000 to 3,18,000. For biotechnology the cutoff is 1,11,000 to 1,91,000, and for food technology the cutoff is 1,15,000 to 3,72,000, and for electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 1,15,000 to 1,61,000. Now let's talk about the number 6 college, that is Academy of Technology. WebG cutoff goes to 3100 to 14,000, and for ECE the cutoff is 8900 to 24,000. For IT the cutoff is 11.5k to 21k. For electrical engineering the cutoff is 13,000 to 37,000. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 15,000 to 80,000, and for electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 20,000 to 60,000. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff. The computer science engineering cutoff goes to 50,000 to 82,000. For ECE the cutoff is 55,000 to 1,34,000, and for electrical engineering the cutoff is 66,000 to 1,92,000. For IT the cutoff is 95,000 to 1,09,000. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 1,50,000 to 2,68,000, and for electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 1,80,000 to 3,35,000 rank. Now let's talk about number 5 college, that is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University. It accepts only WebG and it has only 2 branches, that is computer science and information technology. For computer science the cutoff goes to 700 to 2800, and for information technology the cutoff goes to 2400 to 4100. Now let's talk about the number 4 college, that is Techno India Salt Lake. The WebG cutoff for this college for computer science engineering, the rank goes to 1672 to 5142, and for ECE the cutoff is 5200 to 7800. For IT the cutoff is 5200 to 7000, and for electrical engineering the cutoff is 73,000 to 7300 to 12,000, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff is 7500 to 19,000, and for electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 7800 to 17,733, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 8200 to 27,000, and for food technology the cutoff is 8700 to 41,000. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff for this college. For computer science the cutoff goes to 32,000 to 44,000, and for ECE the cutoff is 42,000 to 67,000. For IT 47,992 to 61,000, and for electrical engineering the cutoff is 53,000 to 80,000. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 68,000 to 98,000, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 72,000 to 1,25,000. For electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 74,000 to 1,02,000, and for food technology the cutoff is 1,21,000 to 1,59,000. Now talk about number 3 college, that is Heritage Institute of Technology. The WebG cutoff for this college for computer science is 600 to 3400 only, and for chemical engineering the cutoff is 991 to 12,972. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 12,000 to 1200 to 11,000, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 1300 to 14,000, and for ECE the cutoff is 1700 to 5700, and for electrical engineering the cutoff is 2100 to 7325, and for IT the cutoff is 3400 to 4200, and for applied electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 4400 to 9600. For biotechnology the cutoff is 6800 to 16,692. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff for this college. For biotechnology, the cutoff is 13,000 to 79,000. For computer science, the cutoff is 19,000 to 31,000. For mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 24,000 to 60,000. And for ECE, the cutoff is 30,000 to 48,000. And for BTech Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, the cutoff is 30,000 to 70,000. For BTech Chemical Engineering, the cutoff is 37,000 to 58,000. For Information Technology, the cutoff is 38 to 45,000. And for Civil Engineering, the cutoff is 43 to 75,000. And for Electrical Engineering, the cutoff is 49 to 56,000. Now talk about the number 2 college, that is IEM Kolkata. The WebG cutoff for this college for computer science is 473 to 1780 only, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff is 746 to 7254. For electrical engineering the cutoff is 845 to 6868, and for ECE the cutoff is 1200 to 4000, and for information technology the cutoff is 1800 to 3100, and for electrical and electronics engineering the cutoff is 1868 to 5632. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff for this college is for computer science engineering the cutoff is 8425 to 23,883. For ECE the cutoff is 25,000 to 38,000. For EE the cutoff is 25,967 to 46,000, and for electrical and electronics engineering the cutoff is 27,000 to 47,000. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 31 to 46,000, and for information technology the cutoff is 31 to 41,000. Now let's talk about the number 1 college under WebG, that is the Jadavpur University. It accepts only WebG, that you can't get admission in this college through JEE Main. You have to appear in WebG to get an admission in this college. So the WebG cutoff for this college for computer science engineering is only 69 to 107 rank, and for electronics and telecom engineering the cutoff is 110 to 161. For information technology the cutoff is 164 to 183, and for electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is 188 to 365. For electrical engineering the cutoff is 196 to 323. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 227 to 339. For chemical engineering the cutoff is 383 to 484. For civil engineering the cutoff is 419 to 487. And there are some more branches for this college, that is the production engineering the cutoff is 488 to 602. For metallurgical engineering the cutoff is 491 to 577. For construction in technology the cutoff is 502 to 655. For power engineering the cutoff is 547 to 580. For printing engineering and graphic communication the cutoff is 635 to 684. For food technology and biochemical engineering the cutoff is 668 to 711. For B architecture the cutoff is 725 to 1417, and for B Farm the cutoff is 951 to 1135. So that's it about the branch wise cutoff of top 10 colleges under WebG. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching for more updates and don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Thanks.